Hey YouTube, this is Charlie guys, and today guys I'm on a little project. I'm coring some concrete for a top secret project which I can't talk about. It's a new product that we're working on right now. Right now I'm going to use a core machine. It's a heavy duty core machine to drill some different size hole. I'm going to be coring some 4.5 inch slabs. I'm also going to be coring some 8 inch slabs, and I'm also going to be coring some 2.5 inch slabs. Normally you can go to like a tool rental store and rent those heavy duty drills, and you can also rent the blade from there. There's a company that we rent from sometimes depending on the size that we're looking for, but on today's project we already have our drill. The drill we'll be using is an old drill. I've been using it for over 16 years. I've been doing this. I've been using that drill. Some of the core bits I have is old core bits. But I'll show you about the, I'll show you the machine in a while.